Make a lie small.
Hello?
Hello, Philip.
Hello, who's this? Who?
Mo.
Oh, Mo. And
No
another?
vex. Na another SIM I get. I put inside my phone. So I don't call you. You tell me say make I call you.
When? Me? I no talk that kind of thing.
Uh-uh.
No be me.
No be your message when I see wait time me say make I call you.
God forbid, no be me. I no fit do that kind of thing.
No be you send me text
Check
message.
very well, no be me.
Oh,
It no fit be me.
no vex. I think say na you.
Who
I
call?
think say na you. Na Cletus.
Oya call Cletus,
Na
no be me.
Cletus na him send me the message. I just see am.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't go use my last recharge card for you.
No vex, no vex, no vex.
And as I don't finish my airtime for you now, if you help me send small airtime, make I know say you go cut am. Fast. I go lie give now. Make I lie give Cletus. Make I call Cletus. This pattern go work. One person must fall. Hello, Cletus.
More, Afana.
So you don't quite know my voice.
I no go know your voice.
So now you send, I don't call you. You send me message to make I call you.
No be me. I no fit do that kind of thing.
I see your text message. Wait, tell me say Mo call me.
No be me. No be me. Check very well.
Oh, no be you. Make I shake again.
Check. It no fit be me.
Oh, no be you. I think say that you. And I don't waste my last airtime call you. I just see now no be you. This is na Aristopoulos so. Aristopoulos na anytime you say make I call am. I think say na you.
Yeah, no be me.
No
It no
vex.
fit be
Hope I no disturb you and I don't use my airtime call you. As I don't finish my airtime on you now, if you can help me send me small recharge card. Clement too. You dey fast like this. You know, tell me say you dey fast like this one. I know call Aristopoulos like this. I call Aristopoulos. Oh, I don't forget. Aristopoulos don't die.
In Africa, we have this, but we prefer this. We have this, but we prefer this. We have this, but we prefer this. Finally, in Africa, we have this, but we prefer this.
So, you say you want to marry my daughter?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, I want you to understand that I don't want my daughter to live with an irresponsible man.
That's why I want to take her away from you, sir. Enough is enough, sir.
That was great. I can't wait for round 2.
I'm coming back.
I can't wait.
Yeah, no. Not now, Brother Bernard. Not now. Brother Bernard, please.
Babe.
Hey, Brother Bernard, you're going to destroy my CV. Hey, Brother Bernard, don't embarrass me. Please, Brother Bernard. He's going to tell my homeboys.
Pumpkin.
I mean it. Brother Bernard, you know I'm poor. And you know this is the only reason she likes me. Don't do this to me.
I'm waiting.
Brother Bernard, wake up! Brother Bernard, wake up! Wake up! Hey, time is not on our side, oh, Brother Bernard.
Baba.
Look, okay. Let us have a bipartisan talk as adults. If you wake up this one last time, I will never misuse you again. Please.
Babe.
What are we eating for dinner today?
I don't know, Penguin.
How are you supposed to decide?
You decide.
I don't know.
Hey, darling.
Yes.
Here is your porridge and bread for breakfast. For lunch, the dairy is on the fridge. For supper, fish is on the fridge. And make sure you eat well, eh?
Thank you.
Bear, the chair is broken.
Let me fix it, Penguin.
Bear, the door is not opening.
Let me fix it a little bit.
Give me the name. You will give me pliers.
Bear, cockroach.
Relax, Penguin.
Cockroach.
Relax, Penguin.
Tequila kitty.
Relax, hold for me.
Bear, I have an emergency. Could you send me 50 bob by lashes?
Darling, so you send me 650k urgently. I top up, I buy another car.
I'm leaving. I'm going to my mom's house. You're always cheating on me and hurting me every day.
No, don't explain yourself. I already saw the messages. You're cheating with Cynthia. Don't worry, I already dealt with that. In case you meet her, you won't recognize her. Go to the bathroom, there is hot water. You'll find me in the bedroom.
Hey, you, stop there. Wait, why did you say stop there? See,
Good afternoon, sir.
I don't need your good afternoon. I just want to warn you now. Stay away from my daughter. Did you hear what I'm saying? Stay away from my daughter. I don't want you to be connected to my family in any way.
Okay, sir.
Break any connection you have with my family. Stay away from my daughter. Did you hear me?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes? What is it?
This polo you are wearing is my own.
This polo? This polo that's my daughter?
How about I disconnect from your family? Not disconnecting me and your daughter again. Now you want disconnection? He pay you. I don't see you.
My darling wife. Oh, excuse me.
Hello, baby. How are you?
The country is not okay, Honorable.
Are you free? Can we talk?
We will never be free until this government leaves power.
Where is your wife?
As we speak, the masses are with us on this matter.
Can we meet up later?
Oh, sure, why not? We have already fixed a meeting at the campaign office for 5:30 p.m. to dissect this matter properly.
Okay, babe. See you then.
No problem, Honorable. Make sure you mobilize other parliament members to come along.
Continue.
I love you.
Power to the people.
Yes, I still dey inside house. Help. Oh, I still dey inside house. Help. Nya.
Thank you, my darling wife.
Hello, Zaddy.
Hello, Honorable.
Please, can I get a little financial help from you?
The party chairman will not approve any budget for your ward at the moment.
Oh, why Nazadi?
Because you refused to deliver your polling unit during the last elections.
But I told you the last time I wasn't in the mood for anything romantic now. And it wasn't deliberate now.
That is because you have been casting your vote recklessly to other rival political parties with fake promises.
I'm sorry now, Zaddy. So when am I expecting the money?
No budget. You will have to wait and suffer for another 4 years for your wrong decisions. Power to the people.